Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. And in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we'll be unboxing the Anker 335 wireless 3-in-1 charger. So I got this from Amazon for $21.99 from Amazon. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this wireless charger out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Anker's 335 wireless charger. This is a 3-in-1 wireless charger. Here's the presentation of the box. Here's the look. If you order from Amazon, this is from their Series 3 lineup. Let's go ahead and take on the sides of the box. Here we have Anker, charge fast and live more. Same thing for this side of the box. The bottom side of the box say nothing, and here's the top side. And let's take a look on the back side of the box. So here is the back side of the box. Here, that back side of the box says Anker, America's leading charging brand. This is trusted by the choice of 80 million people. This has fast charging via leading technology. And this comes with an 18-month hassle-free warranty. So here's at the bottom. Here's the model number, Anker 335 wireless charger, 3-in-1 charging station. Here's all the legal information. And here's the support line, and here's the barcode if you want to look this up on Amazon.com. So that's all to it for this presentation of the box. And let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So all we have to do is use this pull tab that we have here. All we have to do is pull this up. So once we pull this up, here we have the wireless charger in this plastic case. Let's go ahead and pull this plastic tray out. Let's go ahead and turn this over so we don't just drop it off. And yeah, so here it is. Here is the Anker 3-in-1 power station. Here, this comes with some user guides and reading materials. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. So here we are. If you're happy, you can give them some feedback. When you're happy that when we're just happy that you're happy. If you don't want to express your new family, we got a few suggestions. Tell your friends and family, share, and connect with them. Our friendly customer service team will work hard to put a smile back. You want to connect with them for some customer service if you're not happy. Really love the creative way that they do right here, just to make sure that you are happy. And yeah, so that is it for that. Here's the quick start guide for the Anker 335 3-in-1 power station. So as you can see here, this is how you would set this up. This is how you would use your Apple Watch charger or smart watch charger to connect this through. And this is how we would connect it to the power adapter. And here's the back side. The back side is how you would connect your Apple Watch. This is how you would set up the stand for your mobile phone. And this is how you would connect your wireless headphones or wireless earbuds. And this is how you would not want to do. So yeah, so that is the quick start guide. Here we have the support line here. So here's the support line. Nothing else to the support line except you have several language. Something that is less important here, something that you don't, hopefully you don't need. And here's the 3-in-1 power station from Anker. Let's go ahead and remove this from the sleeve, and here it is. So this also comes with a power adapter from Anker, and also this USB-A to USB-C cord. This is a good quality cord provided from Anker, as you can see here. Top-notch brand. So we're gonna go ahead and hook this up. So let's pull out the power adapter here. So here's a closer look at the power adapter. This is also from Anker, so they include you in a power adapter, power port watt. Pretty nice of them. That comes included for the price of this thing. And here is a piece that you need to attach it to the stand here. So you'll need a Apple Watch magnetic charger to connect this to that. So yeah, so that's all that you have here. So the next thing that we need to do is connect a Apple Watch charger. So this doesn't come with an Apple Watch charger. You need to go out and buy this one. This is a Apple Watch to USB-A. You need to find a USB-A Apple Watch charger to connect to the Anker 3-in-1 power station. So here's the Apple Watch charger. This is a USB-A charger. You cannot use a USB-C. So here's the Anker 335 3-in-1 power station. Here's the Apple Watch charger. Let's go ahead and put this up. As I stand here, you can see the side view on how you can adjust 2 ways that you want to set this up. Really love the kickstand here. This is a high quality material. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath. This is with the cover removed, and this is how you would set this up. You have one end, and you would need to connect this to this USB port, as you can see right there. So really simple and easy installation here. So I've already put the cover back on to this thing, and here's the back side where you need to connect a USB-C port. So I have already connected a USB-C port, so this is already powered. So let's go ahead and take out our iPhone. So I have the iPhone XS Max. Let's see how this works. And yeah, you can see it works really well. The LED indicator lights on, knowing that it is charging. Here is my Apple Watch. Let's see if this works. And yeah, you can see that it fully works. So all you need is a wireless AirPod charger to charge your phone. So yeah, so that's about it for this unboxing. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this product. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. And I will definitely see you on the next one.